What is up, guys, and welcome to Smart Online Payday YouTube channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a secret method you can go and use and hijack a lot of targeted free traffic and actually promote products on Digistore24 and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. So this is a method that nobody's talking about. I'm just going to show you guys how to go and do this very easily. I'm going to hijack a lot of high quality traffic and promote your affiliate offers and actually earn a lot of money. If you are promoting any affiliate product, for example, on ClickBank, Water Plus or JVZ, you can go and use this method as well and promote your own affiliate offers. So the first thing you're going to do, once you go to digistore24.com, you're going to sign up for a free account. Once you sign up for a free account, you're just going to go to the marketplace. You can go and find a lot of high quality products that you can go and promote in the marketplace and actually earn a lot of money. I'm going to show you guys how to go and actually choose the best products that are converting the best to go and actually promote, and you're going to make the highest amount of money from those different products. So be sure to pay very close attention on this video right here. So the method I'm going to show you guys in this video, you can go and make your first $1,000 on Digistore24 without investing any money and without having any website to go and do this method right here. So the method I'm going to show you guys, you're going to be leveraging a secret traffic loophole to go and hijack a lot of high quality traffic and actually promote your products on Digistore24 and get a lot of money. So the traffic is going to be very targeted because the people that are going to be coming to your affiliate offer are going to be very interested in buying your affiliate offer, and you're going to present them your Digistore24 affiliate offer. So the method is also newbie friendly. If you're just getting started to make money online or on Digistore24, you can go and follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video and implement it as soon as today and start getting traffic as soon as today after implementing this method. And it's a 100% working method, and it's also very easy to implement. So be sure to watch the video step by step to the end, because I'm going to show you guys how to go and properly use this method so that you're not going to get any problems. You're going to get very high quality traffic from top tier countries like United States, Canada, and actually promote your affiliate offer and earn a lot of money. So that's it. If you're into Smart Online Payday YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel so I'm going to find out that post new smart methods that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So most of the methods I share on this channel are all 100% free to go and get started. So you don't have any money to go and invest, you can go and get started with the free methods I show you guys on this channel, and also what I'm going to show you guys in this particular video right here. You're going to watch one video step by step to the end, take action on this method and actually implement it and start making some sales. They can go and take that money and reinvest back on paid traffic, and that's how you're going to be able to make a lot more money consistently on Digistore24. So I share new methods on how to make money on ClickBank, Digistore24, and some general make money online methods. And also until my most recommended method to start making money online, be sure to click the first in the description. You can go and get my most recommended method to start making some extra money very fast online as soon as today. So that's it. So let's get into this method. Let me show you guys this secret method to go and actually earn a lot of money by hijacking high quality traffic right now and promoting Digistore24 affiliate products on complete autopilot. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, so let's get into this method. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do and actually earn a lot of money very fast on Digistore24 using 100% free traffic. I'm going to show you how to go and hijack free traffic and promote your affiliate offers on Digistore24 and actually earn a lot of money. And this is a brand new method that nobody's talking about, and only a few people are actually doing this method right now, so pay very close attention. So to sign up a free account on Digistore24, what you want to do is you want to go and click on the marketplace. You're going to choose a high converting offer on the marketplace. Consider here, this marketplace has up to 270 plus products on this marketplace, and most of these products actually convert very well. So consider here, once you go to the marketplace, consider for example sort by sales rank, earning per sale, earning per card visitor. What I recommend from this, I can just go and click for example and sort by sales rank, because this is going to show you the top selling products on the marketplace right now. You click for example by sort by earnings per sale. It's going to show you the product is going to pay you the highest amount of money per sale, but you want to go and make sure the product is actually converting very well. So you're going to start by earnings per sale, sales rank. You're going to see here, for example, the first product is Metico and actually sells very well. You can see Tube Mastery and Monetization, Dropshipping University. So most of these products actually convert very well. So you're going to choose one of these offers that actually converts very well. We're going to make sure that it pays us a high commission per sale. And we're also going to make sure that it also has very low refunds from people that are actually buying that affiliate offer. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose this affiliate offer Metico for this example. I'm just going to show you guys how to use the huge traffic source and earn a lot of money. So as you can see right here, it meets all the criteria. It's going to pay you up to, you can see right here, up to 134 Canadian dollars per sale. You can see right here the price average from $179. I can see the conversion rate is at 28%, which means that this actually converts very well. I can see I just been added only 22 weeks ago. You can see the cancellation rate is below 10%, which means that many people that are buying this product are not actually refunding, which means that they're actually getting a lot of value from buying this weight loss offer right here. What I can do from here is I can just go, for example, to the affiliate tools area right here. We want to check out a little more information about promoting this offer. And next, you can just go to the sales page. If you go to the sales page, you're going to find a lot more information about promoting that affiliate offer right here. And this is actually a video sales page, and it's a physical product. If you go and click on reload, if you reload this page, you're going to see that it's a physical product. As you can see, these are the bottles right here. So what you're going to do next, they're going to promote this offer with a lot of targeted free traffic, because if the traffic is not targeted, you're not going to actually make any money. So make sure they're going to promote the affiliate offers to very targeted traffic and to people that are already interested in actually buying this affiliate offer right here. So pay very close attention, as I'm going to show you guys how to go and hijack traffic and actually promote these offers and actually make a lot of money. I can go and do this in any niche as well. So the first you want to do is you want to go to Google and you're going to look for weight loss before and after images. So pay very close attention right here. So you can see right here, I've just gone to Google and just have example weight loss before and after. You can see right here, there's a lot of weight loss before and after images right here. What you want to do is you want to click on images. You're going to download some of these images from here. You're going to use to go and promote your affiliate offer very easily. So let's go and choose one from here. So let me just choose one. So let me click on this one. You can just go and download any of these different images from here. I'm just going to go and save this image. I'm going to use it to go and promote my affiliate offer very easily. I can go and make a lot of money. So pay close attention. So let me just save this one image. And that, guys, is going to be saved. I'm going to go and promote my affiliate offer with this free image right here. So that's, guys, so our image is already being saved right now. What we're going to do is go and promote this offer and actually make a lot of money very easily. Is they're going to go and use this and promote your affiliate offer on Pinterest. The method I'm going to be showing guys to go and promote your affiliate offer with this method on Pinterest is that you're not going to go and actually create any pin on Pinterest. All you need is that you're going to go and create a free Pinterest account to go and actually promote your affiliate offer. I don't need to go and have any followers. I don't have to go and create any pins on Pinterest. I'm going to show you guys how to go and hijack a lot of targeted traffic and actually make a lot of money right here. So let me show you guys what you're going to do. Once you go to pinterest.com, sign up for a free account. You don't have to go and actually create any pins on Pinterest. What you're going to do is you're going to search, for example, weight loss, or for example, how to lose weight. So let's have, for example, lose weight, for example, and click on search. You're going to find a lot of pins that many people are posted on Pinterest right now, and most of these pins are at the top right here. You can see right here, these ones are ranking at the top, which means that they're actually getting a lot of free traffic on Pinterest. You're going to hijack the traffic of this top post right here and going to use it to promote your own affiliate offer. So let me show you guys an examples of people that are already using this exact method. So let me show you guys exactly what you're going to do from here. So pay close attention. So I click on this one. You can see right here 23 reasons why you are not losing weight. So let me click on this. Once you click on this, you can see right here, this particular page has up to 1.8 million followers, which means that any post that they post, they actually get a lot of traffic from that post. So you can see right here, you can see has comments, you can see comments right here. So I say many people are also trying to go and promote their affiliate offer in the comments right here. You can see right here, many people are promoting the affiliate offer in the comments. But what you're going to do, you're not going to put comments from here, because you can see 24 comments. If you go and comment right now, your comment is going to be right at the bottom right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to see an option right here. So you click on these photos, you're going to see an option that you can see right here. Add a photo. You can see try this pin right here. What you can do for me is I'm going to use this option right here, try to pin the option. I'm going to use and promote your affiliate offer right here. So these are people that are already promoting this affiliate offer right here, and they're hijacking this free traffic source. So let me open this one, for example. You're going to see how someone that just, this person right here doesn't have any followers. So let me open that page. You're going to see how they don't have a big following on Pinterest, but they're using this method to go and hijack a lot of huge traffic from this big account that has up to 1.8 million followers on Pinterest. So let me go to the accounts. You can see right here, they have 0 followers. Consider they have 0 followers and they have only 1 pin on their Pinterest account. But you can see right here, they are able to go and post in the pins of these big accounts right here. I can see in the description, they're going to have a link back to their affiliate offers. You can see right here, you have to go to this link. It's going to take me to an affiliate offer on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, and this is the exact way that you're going to leverage this free traffic source and promote your affiliate offer and start making some extra money very fast. So pay very close attention, as I'm going to show you guys how to go and do this very easily. Because right here is promoting this product on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So let me show you guys how to go and do this without having any followers and without having to post any pin on Pinterest.com. So the first thing you want to go and do is you want to go and search, for example, how to lose weight. Next, you're going to look for the ones that are ranking at the top, and next you're going to go and actually use that before and after weight loss image. So let's check on this one. You're going to go and make sure that nobody has actually added their own images on these ones right here. So let me just check this one. So this one right here, you can see right here, many people are already adding their image from here because many people have started using this exact method right here that I'm going to show you guys right here. If you click on this one, you're going to see that it's going to have a link back to the person's affiliate offer, and this person that is spinning this doesn't have any followers right here. So you can see right here, they're going to have a link back to the affiliate offer. If anybody click from here, it's going to take you straight back to the affiliate website. So what you're going to do is they're going to look for related pins right here, so pay close attention. So let me just go back and just close this. You're going to look for related pins that are actually getting a lot of traffic as well. I'm going to use it to use as your tried pin. So let me click on this one, for example. So you can see this person doesn't have a lot of followers. He has only 224 followers. You're going to look for an account that has a lot of followers and also gets a lot of traffic. So what you need to go and do from here is they're going to look for a pin that is also ranking at the top and doesn't have a lot of tried pins right here. So let me show you guys what to do. So for example, lose weight. You can see these are a lot of other posts right here. So let me just open this one right here. It's ranking at the top. So let me open this. And let's see if this one has any tried pins option. You can see right here is a particular page up to 2,000, almost 3,000 followers right now. You can see right here this pin is ranking at the top, which means that many people are going to be looking, for example, how to lose weight. Many of them are going to go and actually go and review this particular pin right here on Pinterest. You can see it's actually ranking very high on Pinterest. What I want to do is I want to click on this option right. You can see right here this try pin option. You can see nobody has added any image from here. You're going to click on add photo. Once you click on add photo, you're going to add your before and after weight loss image when I download from Google, and you're going to input a link back to your Digistore24 affiliate offer right here very easily. So just upload that image right here. Let me just click on upload, and as you guys have just uploaded the image, you can see this is the image that we downloaded. And next, you can go and write a simple description of this image from here. You can see here, once you upload the image, you're going to have a description that you can go and write a description right here and link people back to your own Digistore24 affiliate offer. What you're going to do is you can go and write a simple call to action. For example, learn my secret method right here, my secret weight loss methods, supplements, let me for example supplements, and this is where you're going to input your Digistore24 affiliate link to the product you're going to be promoting right here. So what you're going to do next, they're going to go back to Digistore24. So let's go to Digistore24 and let's get our affiliate link from here. So these are the affiliate links. Let's just copy the link. And you're going to input your link inside your pin from here. What I recommend is I can go and use, for example, a tool, for example, tiny URL or bit.ly to go and actually shorten your link to paste it on this website right here. So I'm just going to go to tiny URL. I'm just going to paste my Digistore24 affiliate link right here and click on make tiny URL. So it's going to make it a lot shorter. So let me just click on copy. Once I copy that link, I'm just going to paste it right here. And that's, guys, you're going to go and have your affiliate link right here at the top of this post without actually creating any piece on Pinterest. I'm going to be hijacking a lot of free traffic from this particular pin right here that's already ranking at the top. So click on done, and that's, guys, going to be done. It's going to post it right here. You can see right here it's going to be posted right here with a link back to your affiliate offer, and the traffic that is going to be coming to this pin, many people are going to click and also go to your untried pin and click and go back to your affiliate offer. So that's, guys, so it's going to actually take some few minutes for our tried pin to our pictures to actually show right here. What you're going to do is you're going to do this on multiple pictures, because the more you do, the more traffic you're going to get from this method right. You can see many people are already doing this right here on top pins on Pinterest. What you can do is you can just go and do the exact method as well. Click on add photo, and next add your photo, and you're going to add a link back to your affiliate offer. So all the traffic that's coming from here, you're going to be siphoning some of this traffic and promoting your own affiliate offer. You can, for example, drag and drop. I'm just going to undo the exact method right here. So that's it, the exact method. I'm just going to input a simple description and click on tried pin, and my pin is going to be right at the top right here. And that's, guys, when people visit this pin, they're going to see right at the top, and they're going to look for the method I used to lose weight, and they're going to see this link right here. They're going to click and go back to my Digistore24 affiliate offer, and that's guys, I'm going to make some extra money from this method right here. So that's guys, so that's simple method you can go and use and promote your affiliate offer as well and start making some money. So I've shown you guys right here, many people are using this method already to go and get hijack a lot of free traffic and promote their affiliate offers. You can see right here, these are all links to the affiliate offers. You can see a lot of links that many affiliates on Clickbank are using to promote their affiliate offers. So in this other pin that we created right, you can see right here, this image. You can see our image is right at the top right here. So anybody that is going to go and view this pin right here, they're going to go and see this tried pin option. Once click on that tried pin option right here, they're going to go and click and go back to our affiliate offer. We're going to siphon a lot of very targeted traffic from this big pages right here and send people back to our own affiliate offer, because many people are going to be watching this pin right here are going to be interested in losing weight, and many of them are going to be interested on how this person lose weight, and they're going to click and go back to our affiliate offer, and that's how we're going to make a lot of money easily from this simple method right here. So that's guys, so the more tried pins you're going to use on Pinterest, the more traffic you're going to get, and the more sales you can go and make from here. And what I recommend is that you can go and use you can go and look for fresh pins that are being created on Pinterest by bigger accounts, so that you're going to be the first person to go and input your own tried pin, and you're going to be at the top. And the more you're at the top, the more traffic you're going to get, and the more sales you can make from this simple method right here. So that's guys, so share this video guys, so that others can go and benefit from this method as well, use it and start making some money on Clickbank and on Digistore24. So that's guys, take action on this, and I'll see you in the next video. And so that's guys, you can see right here, this another image. You can see right this that image I just downloaded. You can see someone has used it already on this particular pin guys. So it's a very new method that people are using now to go and promote affiliate offers. Go and take advantage of this as well and promote your own affiliate offers. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video.